They can burn the building if they want. Pero opinion lang natin to na kung ako yon, before I let go of two wonderful people loyal to your organization, Coach Willie Wilson at saka si Coach Jamike Jaren who was a consultant, if you let go two people, you have to make sure may infrastructure na kayo in place. Wala eh.
Yeah. That's
Yeah,
the
just
one
like
that
you.
makes sense, di
Yeah,
ba? Pag
yeah,
pag magre-resign ka, maganda may kapalit na agad. Same thing. But it
yeah,
tells me
ikaw,
that
you run
mm,
your own company. You're a
mm,
CEO of
mm,
Valka Sports. If you want to
mm,
fire somebody, you're not just gonna say fire kita tapos I'll think about who I will replace.
mm.
That's just not good business practice. And
Yeah, I
this
will only do that if I do not like the person that I'm firing.
correct, diba? And
Okay?
here's another thing. Again, it is Phoenix's prerogative to choose whatever choose coach they want. Pero when they put Willie Wilson, Coach Wilson, as their coach at the beginning of this
Mm.
conference, they already knew na, the fact that they put him in, they believed in him and knew na ito yung coach natin, he will take us into the future. But why only a few months? What changed your mind? Diba?
What do
What
you
did
think?
you...
What do you think? Anong narinig mo? Bakit ba siya tinanggal? Is it performance? Is it what?
Well, Phoenix did
Relationship?
that. Phoenix
Mm-hmm.
did have. Phoenix did not have a good record. But then
Yes.
again, Phoenix always had not a good record. Diba? It's not like
Mm.
this is not. We're not talking about TNT for God's sake. You know,
Mm-hmm.
we're talking about the Phoenix Fuel Masters. Na hindi naman maganda ang personnel nila. This is not a team that's actually loaded with all stars. Diba?
Mm-hmm.
So, and then again, you hire a coach, at least you give him a runway. I-hire mo siya, you give him a chance to build his team, put his own personnel, and you can't just do that in one conference. He inherited a team na kay Coach Jamike Jaren. So,
Mm-hmm.
you have to establish your voice, establish your presence, your system, diba? And after a conference, pinalitan mo. So, how does that make sense? Si Chris Gavina, coach ng University of the East.